This is CNN with breaking news. I'm Jennifer Rising. The massive explosion and fire this morning at a Maryland power plant that left at least 6 people dead, dozens injured and missing, and hundreds more threatened by radiation and toxic chemicals, was apparently a terrorist attack with possible links to the Palestinian group Hamas, as well as the Japanese Red Army. Just a few minutes ago, a man from Hamas called a Washington, D.C. television station to claim involvement in the terrorist attack. Earlier today, the Japanese Red Army also took responsibility for the bomb. The terrorist attack occurred at 10 o'clock this morning when an unidentified male crashed a truck packed with explosives into a Marant power plant in Morgantown, Maryland, located 40 miles south of Washington, D.C., causing an enormous explosion and fire. Here's an earlier report from a local affiliate, WTTG-TV in Washington.
We've just received word that the bomb may have contained deadly radiation and could be the nuclear fuel that was stolen a few weeks ago from an East Coast storage facility. Everyone has been ordered to immediately evacuate the premises. This is Larice Chow, Channel 5 News, Morgantown, Maryland.
The bomb scattered radioactive materials on impact that is now heading to nearby residential communities within a 3 to 5 mile radius of the blast. The explosion also released deadly chemicals that are now poisoning the air and spilling into the nearby Potomac River, threatening environmentally sensitive waters. Authorities ordered all nearby residents to evacuate the area. People were in a state of panic when they heard the news of the horrific nuclear explosion, some even fleeing on foot to try to outrun the deadly radiation and toxic gases that were heading their way.
Ironically, the immediate dangers of the chemical release far outweigh that of the radiation exposure. Ammonia and sodium hydroxide are toxic substances and if inhaled can cause severe respiratory damage in both humans and animals. These chemicals will contaminate both the soil and the water and cause extensive environmental damage to the river.
The Department of Energy's Special Nuclear Emergency Search Team just arrived on scene and confirmed that radioactive substances were present. Meanwhile, the fire now rages out of control and threatens to destroy more of the plant and the surrounding area. Several firefighters are being treated for chemical and radiation exposure at nearby hospitals. It is now believed that the suicide bomber stole a security card from a Marant employee to enter the plant.
The million-dollar question is why terrorists have chosen this particular power plant. Federal authorities will no doubt be looking very closely at Marant's security, employees, and safety procedures to find out any clue.
Again, the explosion and fire this morning at a Maryland power plant that left at least 6 people dead and hundreds more threatened by radiation and toxic chemicals was apparently a terrorist attack with links to Hamas and the Japanese Red Army. Stay tuned to CNN as we provide updates throughout the day.